West Bandung Regency has a lot of amazing tourist destinations. Starting from beautiful mountain, waterfall, and the variety of cuisine, becomes the interesting thing for West Bandung. During weekend or holiday season, it is always a good option to choose West Bandung as your leisure spot. On this special chance, we are going to visit one of the freshest and modern cafe in West Bandung. The name is Street Belly Cafe. From the center of Bandung Regency, it takes around 32 minutes drive, with 24 kilometers in distance. After passing a few highway, finally we are arriving at Street Belly Cafe. The cafe looks stunning and elegant in architecture. Let's have a look inside the Street Belly Cafe. The service team is attentive and extremely friendly in approaching customer. For the interior touch, Street Belly Cafe is applying the white, minimalist and unique theme. By combining the perfect interior and color, it makes Street Belly Cafe become aesthetic as in view. This cozy place is a great option to be visited with friends, family, and the beloved one. As for your information, Street Belly Cafe has 4 floors in total. We are at the first floor right now, which is at White Terrace floor. On the second floor there is Belly's Diner. On the third floor we find the rooftop. And for the last, there is Sky Mezzanine floor. Right now, we are heading to the second floor. It is Belly's Diner. It's such a cozy area for family, and there's a smoking area outside Belly's Diner floor. Next floor, we have the rooftop at the third floor. During the day it's quite hot here, but however, this floor is great during afternoon to evening time. For the last, we find the Sky Mezzanine floor. This spot is amazing, and we could have a look the beautiful view of West Bandung from above. After take the cafe tour, let's move to the Street Belly Cafe menu. You may scan this barcode to have a look what is on Street Belly menu. Street Belly Cafe offers variety cuisine from Western to Indonesian authentic dish. Starting from menu of all-day brunch, light bites, greens option or salad, pasta, the main course, Nusantara or authentic Indonesian cuisine, till sweet selection, everything is available on menu. For the beverage options, we will find coffee or non-coffee drinks, then there's refreshing to nourishing drinks, etc. After take decision, let's order what we wish for. The service at Street Belly Cafe is extremely attentive, friendly, and helpful. Here, I would like to thanks to the team, especially Dimas for being such an amazing host during our first visit here. That is all about our trip today with Eismayeel Zain at Street Belly Cafe. Please check the description box for more information about Street Belly Cafe. Thank you for watching, and see you on next video.